What's up, guys? Welcome to Malty Monday. This week, got a cool pairing for you. We're featuring a raw cow's milk cheese from Uplands Cheese Company. This is a company we work with, carry a few of their cheeses. Pleasant Ridge Reserve is what this is called. So Pleasant Ridge is cool. It's kind of an Alpine-style cheese, similar to like Gruyere or Beaufort. They kind of do it in the same traditional methods of making that cheese. It's only made in the summer. It's made from about May to October, depending on the season. And the reason they're doing that is because the cows are grazing on wild pastures during that time. It does get a wash during the aging. What's cool about these guys is they're hands-on the entire thing. It's farmstead. It's the cows are at the place, the aging facility where they make it. It's all done on their property, which is cool. And what I really like about it is it's kind of a cool blend between like an Alpine, but it kind of does carry some of those like cheddar characteristics, which I think is going to go really cool with the beer because I love cheddars with IPAs and I love Alpine cheeses with Belgians. Yeah. And that's going to kind of hit this, what Rio's going on with the beer this week.
That's right. We kind of have, you hit it on the head. We have a combination of IPA and Belgian. This is the Bewilder Brewing, Nouveaux Houblons, which means new hops in French, right? So that's our little play. It's a really cool, Belgian style IPA is just taking basically a normal IPA and throwing a Belgian yeast on it to get some of those really expressive ester and phenol characters out of the yeast. And then they took it a step further and used French-grown hops, some newer varieties that are coming out of France these days. They used three of them, one called Barbe Rouge, one called Mistral, and one called Triskel. And what they do kind of together is they kind of make this wonderful kind of berry aroma, a lot of red fruit, so a little bit of like strawberry to a little bit of like red currant. And that plays really, really well. As you can see, it's darker than some IPAs today. It's got a nice malty base. And then the spices coming out of those yeasts, those phenolic characteristics kind of blend really, really well with the kind of fruity character here and the malt base. It's really tasty. I'm biased, Belgian IPA is one of my favorite styles out there, and I'm just really happy that someone makes one because they're not as common these days. Bewilder's really cool. They're only a block or so away from the downtown market here. They make some really great beer. They're really killing it. This one's up at about 7.3% ABV, so a nice full point IPA. Really pretty tasty. I think it went well with the cheese, that kind of creamy notes that you were talking about.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Like I said, guys, Pleasant Ridge, like I said, it's only made in the summer, so eventually we're gonna run out, so come get it while you can, and then
get the beer while you can.
Yeah, guys, good time, cool pairing, and I got a cider class coming up.
That's right. We have a couple of cider. We've had some requests, so we have a couple of cider classes. One in October. It's starting to fill up, so go ahead and get signed up for that one if you're interested. And then another one in later November in case you missed that one. So,
cool, guys. Thanks.
Join us.